So what we're going to be talking about today is a tool called Zaption. And this tool can be used in your flipped classroom to do, as it says here, turn online videos into interactive learning experiences that engage students and deepen understanding. So like we would do, we would go to www.zaption.com and then go ahead and either log in or get started if you haven't made an account already. It has your standard credential pass with Facebook, Google, and Edmodo, or you can make your own regular account. After that, you encounter something like this when you go to make your first tour. You can either find a video, such as YouTube, or browse videos that you have made yourself already. So for instance, if I wanted to use this video here from John Green and Crash Course, which is a great series for you social studies teachers, I could just copy this link and then input it here and click search, and I get added to our video tour. Now we have different options up here, and I'm going to go ahead and take a look at what I've already done here for the sake of time. So I've added a couple different things. I'll fast forward it so he's not screaming at you. But I've added a drawing. How does the Electoral College work? Because he talks about that in the video. And over here, the students have an option to do a free response where they can input a response that you can go ahead and look at the analytics later. We can do other things. If we zoom forward a little bit.
Election was not the original American government.
Yep. And so you can see here it would have the option for a multiple choice question asking which documents of the first form of American government. So we have the Magna Carta, Mayflower Compact, Articles of Confederation and Perpetual Union, and the Declaration of Independence. Now one of the things this can do is we can either have it set up to either appear on the right or as a sidebar or appear on the window so it blacks out the option. We can have it continue playing, the video continue playing, or pause it so they have to concentrate on it. And if we want, we can black out the video when that question comes up.
Election was not the original American government.
So you can see now this blacks out our video and they have to concentrate on the question. In addition, you can add feedback, which would happen. So this one talks about the Magna Carta is limited to the power of the King of England in 1215 and did not set up the American government system. Also, let's say, for instance, for this one, Articles of Confederation, they got it right. And the next part of the video actually talks about the Articles of Confederation, and if we were a paid subscription, we can have it jump forward so they wouldn't have to look at material they already know. So that was a multiple choice question. We can also add check boxes, open response. We can enter a drawing or an image slide or text slide, and these things can all be incorporated into the video. Now, of course, the ones I've highlighted are free except for the jump to. If we were to upgrade our membership, you can do things like add other videos, jump to a certain selection, discussion, replay, feature, draw response, where the students will be able to draw their responses. And so these are things that can be incorporated into if you were to upgrade your membership. Now, why would we want to do something like this in our lessons? Well, the first thing we're going to talk about is studying the materials. Rada Rodinger ran an experiment where students would study images. They were separated into three groups. Group 1 studied the picture for 20 minutes. Group 2 studied it for 20 minutes but recalled it once during the session. And as you can see here, Group 3 studied it and asked to recall 3 times over 30 minutes. The results, as you can probably guess, Group 3 did remarkably better than Group 1 because they were asked to recall it several times as they were learning it. In addition, Michelin Chi talked about active learning in the framework of interactive, constructive, active, and passive learning. And what this does is take your lecture and change it from straight passive learning, where all they're doing is receiving information, and change it to active learning to where they're doing something with it. And so this can help deepen our students' understanding, like Zaption says. Thank you.